Stuck with a flat tire? Fix-A-Flat has you covered. Let's get started. You don't need to remove the puncturing object before installing Fix-A-Flat. Move your tire so the puncture is at the bottom. Shake the can vigorously for 30 seconds. Remove the cap from the can. Tightly screw the hose onto your tire valve stem. Firmly push down on the yellow button. The repair sealant and air will immediately begin to dispense into your tire. Make sure the tire rim lifts off the ground. When the white liquid stops moving through the hose, release the button and quickly unscrew the can from your tire. Then drive 2 to 4 miles to help the sealant spread and increase your tire pressure. Add more air if needed. Have your tire repaired by a professional within 3 days or 100 miles. Fix-A-Flat has been trusted by millions for more than 50 years. Safe and easy to use. Quickly seals and inflates. Tire sensor safe. Fix-A-Flat. Just connect, inflate, and go.